are you going?
Well, go down to see Devil's Tower. So there's a place outside Hewlett. I have a hotel.
Take your helmet off.
Yeah, okay. Am I yelling?
Yeah.
Yeah, sorry.
I get it. Where do you live?
I live in Danair Beach, Saskatchewan.
Okay.
Ooh.
There, now you won't yell.
Yeah, probably a little better.
How long are you going to be in the States?
4 nights, 5 days, something like that.
Got a passport?
Yes, I do.
What do you got in the bags?
Clothes on this side. I got tools and survival gear, and this is all my like camping and weather gear for the motorcycle.
Okay. Bringing any items down for anybody, sir?
No.
Any alcohol or tobacco products on the bike?
No.
How many miles you got on the Triumph?
Just 3,000 this year. Like I just got her a couple months ago.
You have a safe trip.
Awesome. Thanks, guys.
Well, that's me, off on another adventure. If you're new around here, my name's Kevin Allen. Usually I'm running around in my van doing some van life stuff, but today we're on a motorcycle trip. I'm off to go see Devil's Tower. Ever since watching the movie Close Encounters of the Third Kind as a small child, this place has been on my bucket list. So as we're rolling into the first stop here, I'm just going to ask you guys to please hit like and subscribe, follow, and all those good things. Helps out the channel. We're almost there, but once we hit 500 subscribers, I'll start doing live streams from the van where I play my guitar and answer questions.
Well, you know, this weather app worth the crap because it said it was supposed to be sun the whole trip, and this is not. I drove through, I don't know, a couple hours of rain on the way here. It was a 6-hour drive. Now we're in Plentywood, Montana. We just got everything set up just in time. By look how nasty that is. Oh my goodness. All right, we're camping for the night.
Man, am I glad I got off the road. Like, it's only supposed to last a couple hours, but yeah, I wouldn't want to be riding in this. Wind sounds nasty. I think we just got the edge of the storm. You can see it off in the distance. According to the same website that told me it was supposed to be sunny today, the storm's only supposed to last a couple hours. Oh well. Good night, guys. Gonna watch a little YouTube. See you in the morning.
I've heard a story, I've heard it said, I've come to believe that love is a bet. Sometimes you win and sometimes you lose, and sometimes it calls you right in the mood. Come to my table, come to my bed, go easy my hunger, easy my head, bringing me fire, bringing me water, taking me high, taking me down. Give me your pretty, give me your arm to my bed. Go easy my hunger, easy my head. Oh, bringing me fire, bringing me water, taking me high, taking me down. Taking me
Hey everybody, this morning we're in Hewlett, Wyoming. Today's adventure, well, we're gonna go see Devil's Tower. We're gonna go have some close encounters of the motorcycle kind. But we've got about 2,000 kilometers on the bike since we got down here. So we've got to check the oil, we got to go over a few things. I had a problem with rear tires a little low, so we're gonna make sure that's all right, and then we're heading off. Morning.
You were staying at the Hewlett, weren't you?
Yes, I was. You guys were the other.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So what year is your bike?
So a second, I gotta get my earplugs out.
Oh, which reminds me I need to do that.
Whoa. Sorry, what was that?
What year is your bike?
It's a 2024,
Okay.
but it's like the Aragoon edition. So in the rest of the world, it's a 2023. It's got the 2023 engine. Because in 2024, their engine had 10 more horsepower, but
Right.
it was the. Well, here we are. Check this one off the bucket list: Devil's Tower. Morning. Morning. Well, that's interesting. So the thing was saying there is that liquid rock magma was pushed up in a column, and then as it cooled, it formed the 5- and 6-sided columns that you see there. So yeah, it's called columnar jointing, and this is the largest known example of it in the world. The tower itself stands 1,276 feet tall and is America's first national monument, declared in 1906 by President Roosevelt. Devil's Tower is a sacred site for more than 20 Native American tribes. They called it Bear Lodge and Bear House, or Bad God's Tower, which is where we got our name for it, Devil's Tower. Their legends will tell you stories of how a group of girls were running from bears, and their pleas were heard by the gods, and the gods raised up the earth so that the bears couldn't get to them, and the scratching of the bears trying to climb this Devil's Tower is where all the columns came from.
Obviously I'm not indigenous, but pretty sure this is a sweat lodge. Obviously not active at the moment, but be very respectful here. I really just want to take some video for my son Alex. Last couple summers he's been my travel buddy. Do wish I could have brought him here. Not sure what the respectful thing is, but I'm going to stay out of the circle.
I gotta say, this was an awesome trip. I really enjoyed seeing Devil's Tower. It was kind of a spur-of-the-moment trip, but with the forest fires and stuff going on at work and the time off, I had to do something. And on that subject of being off work, I had to start using my vacation time to cover all this time off while we wait for the forest fire situation to get handled. So unfortunately this year we're canceling Panama. We're gonna have to do that at a later date, but that's just the way the cookie crumbles, so to say. But that's okay, because I've got a lot going on right now, so it's probably good to just step back and focus on that and get the insurance going and focus on getting a new house built out at Denair. But we're going to leave it here, guys. Thanks for tagging along. Thanks for checking it out. And like I say, hit like, hit subscribe. It all helps the channel. And we're on a mission to get 500 subscribers. Once we get there, I'll start doing live streams, answer some questions, playing guitar. But until next time, guys, stay safe, have fun.